Good morning children, this video is for class 2, subject reasoning. Chapter number 21, analogy, and this is homework solution of lecture number 2. So beta, today we will only discuss homework solution, okay? Now, it has given that identify the relationship between the pair and find the missing word. So here in question number 1, it is given flour, bread, fruits, dash. And we have 4 options, jam, milk, water and jar. So beta, first we will see the relationship between flour and bread. फ्लोर यानी आटा, आटे से क्या बनती है, ब्रेड. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही फ्रूट से क्या बनता है, दैट इज जैम. So here we will circle jam. Okay, and here we will write the answer that option number A is correct. Okay. Now question number 2. Niece, nephew, priest, dash. So here we have options A temple, B god, C prayer and D priestess. So बेटा niece मतलब भतीजी and nephew means भतीजा. ठीक है, means हम यहाँ पर जेंडर वो कर रहे हैं, भतीजी भतीजा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमें प्रिस्ट गिवन है, तो प्रिस्ट का जो जेंडर है वो क्या होगा, प्रिस्टेस. ठीक है, so here we will circle this D part, priestess, and here we will write the answer that option number D is correct. Okay. Question number 3, it is given chair, sitting, bed, dash, and options are A bedroom, B night, C sleeping, D running. So beta, here we use chair for sitting. हम chair पे क्या करते हैं, बैठते हैं. So as it is we have to put the relationship here. तो bed पे हम क्या करते हैं, sleep करते हैं, सोते हैं. So here option number C is correct, sleep. And here we will write the answer that option number C is correct. Okay. Question number 4. Eyes, see, nose, dash. Options are A hear, B touch, C smell, D taste. बेटा eyes and nose both are our sense organs. Eyes जो है वो हमें देखने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, तो nose किस लिए यूज करते हैं, for smelling the things. Okay, so here option number C is correct. So here we will write option number C is correct. Okay, now 5. Bed, bedroom, toilet, dash. So options are A truck, B kitchen, C television and D bathroom. बेटा बेड जो है वो बेडरूम में यूज होता है. ठीक है, तो टॉयलेट कहाँ पर होता है, bathroom में. So here option number D is correct. So we will circle this option number D and here we will write the answer that option number D is correct. Okay. Thank you.